In this video, we will go over how to hoop the left or right chest of a Carhartt or other heavyweight jackets. To start, we will be using the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop, the 5.5-inch fixture with freestyle arm, the portable mounting base, and the T-square attachment. When hooping the left or right chest of a jacket, the first thing you want to do is mark the placement of the logo of the first jacket of each size. This placement will help you set up the measuring device on the fixture and the T-square. Once set, you will not have to remeasure and mark every time. In this portion of the video, we will show you how to correctly set up for hooping using our helpful aids. We will then show you the actual hooping process. To start, unzip or unbutton the jacket as you will be hooping it sideways. At the base of the fixture, you will notice a blue sliding clip. This clip should be placed in the shorter slot position. This allows the lower ring of the Mighty Hoop to release freely when hooping on thick or heavy items. We recommend using this position for anything heavier than a lightweight sweatshirt. Now place the jacket on the fixture. You want to have the placement marked near the center of where your hoop will go. While doing this, you will need to identify a distinctive measurement location using the item and the fixture together to ensure you can replicate the placement. The fixture features horizontal lines that help identify the distance from the edge of your item to the center of your hoop. These lines are located above and inside where the hoop will be placed, with half-inch increments starting with 0 in the center of the hoop. This gives you the most flexibility for a variety of items. With this jacket, you can see that we do not align the edge of the jacket with any of the horizontal half-inch lines on the fixture. This is completely fine. When this happens, you will need to use a secondary identifying location. For this jacket, we will bring the edge of the jacket to the inside edge of our backing material holder. This is a straight edge, just like any of the lines would be, but this gives us proper placement to have our design be in the center of our hoop. Now that our placement mark is roughly centered, we will place the top ring of our 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop on the fixture arms, locking it into place. Pressing down, we can now verify that the mark is in the center of the hoop. While keeping the mark in the center of the hoop and the edge of the jacket along our backing material holder, move the 0 point of the T-square to something consistent on the jacket. For this demonstration, we will be using the base of the jacket collar. Once the T-square is in the correct position, hand tighten the screws to ensure the T-square doesn't move. Now that all the measurements are set, multiple jackets can be hooped in the same place without having to measure and mark. By simply pulling the edge of the jacket to the edge of the backing material holder on the fixture and the base of the collar to the 0 point on the T-square. Now we will hoop the jacket. First, place the lower ring of the Mighty Hoop in the fixture with the warning labels facing down. Next, pull the jacket onto the fixture and place the top ring of the Mighty Hoop on the fixture arms, making sure that it's locked into place. Check that the item is aligned with both the 0 on the T-square and the inside edge of the backing material holder. Once confirmed, press down on the hoop. When removing something thick like a Carhartt from the fixture, be sure to put your fingers underneath the hoop, grabbing the bottom ring and pulling the hoop up and out of the fixture. Do not lift the hoop up by the top ring, as it's likely the weight of the jacket could pull the bottom ring off. While holding the top and lower ring, flip over the jacket to make sure the lining is nice and tight like this one. If there's a big bubble in the lining, you will want to rehoop the item. Holding the top and bottom of the hoop together, carry it to the machine. Once on the machine, the bobbin arm will support the hoop and you can let go. Be sure to support the weight of the jacket slack so the hoop can move freely and won't drag on the machine. Neglecting this could result in the bottom ring coming off during the embroidery process. When hooping a jacket sideways, you must remember to rotate your design 90 degrees inside your embroidery software. Occasionally, you may need to hoop in a difficult spot. For example, hooping near a pocket or over a zipper. Mighty Hoops are capable of hooping over most seams, pockets, and zippers. With the help of our HoopMaster product line and our patented Mighty Hoops, you can make hooping what was once impossible possible. We want to thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing any of the items featured in this video, they are located in the description. For our full product line, visit our website at HoopMaster.com.